Since the eruption of the ongoing Israeli-Palestinian conflict on October 7, 2023, the Israeli military has been comprising the survival space of Palestinians with bombardments, power cuts, and obstruction of aid. Over 33,000 Palestinians have been killed over the past 6 months. Many Palestinian families are forced to live in tents meters away from the border fence with Egypt without access to drinking water, food, electricity, or medical care. Ibrahim Shamlek, a displaced Palestinian from Gaza City, told Xinhua that he had to search for long hours to find a source of clean water, but to no avail.
والله يا شيخ عمل لي 3 مشاكل عشان اعبي ميه. صليت على النبي الميه بتروح وبتيجي وتقريبا لي 3 ساعات واقف هنا. لما نوصل دور ب100,000 عافيه وقدرت اعبي القلالين. يعني تاخرت كمان على الوالده بدها تعمل اكل. مش حياه.
شايف المعاناة الناس كيف تقعد بالساعات لما تعبي، بتيجي اذان الظهر لا اذان المغرب يلا لما تعبي لك قلالين ميه. نسأل الله العلي العظيم ان يفرجها عن الشعب الفلسطيني يا رب، وان يصبرنا على المصايب اللي بتصير فينا، ويرحم الشهداء ويرحم المصابين جميعا يا رب.
The Euro-Mediterranean Observatory for Human Rights, an independent non-profit organization active in Geneva, has warned that the lack of drinking water in the Gaza Strip has become a matter of life and death. Euromed said that residents in the Strip are forced to use unclean water from wells, which has contributed to the spread of transmittable and infectious diseases, especially with the electricity outage that has contributed to the shortage of water supplies. According to the Palestinian Water Authority, the ongoing Israeli military attacks have destroyed the water infrastructure in the Gaza Strip, including at least 65% of the water wells in Gaza City and the Northern Strip.